In the course of our journey in understanding mechanical physics, we will come across some commonly used forms of forces. They are tension, normal force, friction force, and spring force. Tension. Take a rope and lay it on the floor. It's slack and may not be in an exact straight line. Now, if we pull both the ends of the rope, it gets taut and straightens up. That's because now the rope is said to be under tension. Now hang one end of this rope with a block. It will now experience even more tautness. This tightness in the rope, which can hold the block in air against its force of gravity, is tension. It's always pulling in nature and acts throughout the rope. So if we take a cross section like this, the top part is pulling the bottom part upward and the bottom part is pulling the top part downward. In the slack state, no part is pulling each other and the tension is zero. Friction force. This is the most common form of force we experience in our life. It restricts any kind of relative motion between bodies in contact with each other. When you slide a block on a ground, the surface in contact have a relative motion. Hence, the force of friction acts in the backward direction on the block and makes it stop after a while. Sometimes it might be a bit tricky to find the direction of friction, especially for case when no motion is taking place, like this block resting on this rough wedge. So we will remember a simple trick. Think of a situation when there is no friction. Try to visualize the direction of relative motion between the surface. Now the direction of force will be such that it will oppose this relative motion. We know how difficult it is to walk on a slippery floor, which has less friction than a rough floor. When you normally walk on the floor, if there was no friction, your feet would have slipped in this direction. To prevent this slippage, that is relative motion of the feet in this direction, friction acts in forward direction. So when you walk, friction acts in forward direction, and thank friction for saving you from slipping.